Welcome to Tractors Malaysia. We would like to take you behind the scenes of our equipment rebuild project and showcase the competency and skills that handle even the toughest rebuild projects. With a rich history spanning more than 90 years, Tractors Malaysia has been at the forefront of the heavy equipment industry, delivering exceptional equipment and services to our valued customers. In a world where uptime is crucial for completing a job, Caterpillar stands out as a leader in providing reliable and durable machinery. And when it comes to maintaining and rebuilding the equipment, Tractors Malaysia is the team you can trust. Whether it's a small repair or a complete overhaul, our team is dedicated to delivering outstanding service and results. Today, we take you to the heart of our workshop all the way in Miri, Sarawak, where you can witness the immense scale of operations and the dedication of our team as they work tirelessly to meet the demands of the industry. Regular maintenance is key to ensuring longevity and reliability. Our skilled technicians meticulously inspect, repair and rebuild the equipment, ensuring that each truck operates at peak efficiency. From the operation of our articulated dump trucks to the maintenance and rebuild of their engines, we strive for excellence in every aspect. At Tractors Malaysia, we are committed to providing our customers with genuine Caterpillar parts and exceptional service. With years of experience and training, our mechanics have a deep understanding of Caterpillar equipment, allowing them to identify and address any issues with precision and efficiency. Join us as we continue to drive progress and empower industries across the nation. With Tractors Malaysia's state-of-the-art facilities and 14 branches across Malaysia and Brunei, you are assured peace of mind. Tractors Malaysia, your one-stop center to getting the job done.